Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Coreldraw tutorial how to erase. So as example you can draw rectangle and I will set the color to solid color and change into blue color. Okay, if you want to erase these objects you can go to the crop tools in the second bar here, click hold and then you can choose eraser. You can set for the eraser size here, like I will set into 5. Enter. Now we can erase the object here. Or you can make small, like I will set into 2. Enter. So the erase will be set into 2. So you can click here to change the erases, or you can change for the shape. Like this. The circles for shapes. Or you can change to the rectangle. Okay, that's it for basic CorelDRAW tutorial how to erase.